Okay. So this is the I just figured out the name. It's this gun and this. These come in a pack of 2. So to pair them, I have done no videos. I had to do this myself. So what you do, you find this button right here. You see that? And then this button right here. You aim the gun at the receiver and power out at the same time. This should vibrate and this should make a sound. So now if I go ahead, and one cool feature is there's 2 teams. You just flick this top lever right here. Boom. So now you're both red. There's the ability to change from semi-automatic to automatic. So oh yeah, and you have to push this up. And on some of them, it will not stay up, so you have to like hold it up, which is bad, I guess. It's not really fun. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how this works. So I got another gun here, and put this on real quick. 1 second. What you do when you're fighting, wait for it to do that. Okay. So if it works, it'll stay up like that. But it's not. So this, when you get damaged, if you're green, it'll turn red right here. But since I am not green, I am red, it'll turn green. And that's the amount of damage you'll take. It'll also reflect on your gun, which I find actually really cool. So we power that off. And then if you look on here, I don't know if you can see that, it'll tell you how many lives you have, how much ammo you have, and one really cool thing I like about these, if I can find it, where is it at? There's a way to become like dark mode, I think. Oh yeah, you hold this, I think. Then how did you become dark mode on these? I forget.
What?
How'd you become like invisible on these?
Oh, you,
What's that? Hold this.
yeah. Well, dude, you,
That's it. Let me get the other one.
let's see, that thing at the front, you,
Oh yeah. Right here. Boom. And now you're invisible, but you can still shoot. So that's a tutorial on these. I'm gonna power this off, which that means that, yeah. So if you're red and it's blinking green, that would mean that you have died. But if it's green and it's blinking red, again, that means you died. But I'll complete the tutorial on here. Again, just so that you guys know, some of these are broken. They won't stay up. So, yeah, you have that. But I like that because then you don't have to reload. Let me turn it back on. Because you can literally just keep on spinning it. So it's really cool.